Okay, I took a position on AAVE today. This is a cryptocurrency. Okay, and why did I take the trade, folks? Because look, we got the first green candle here. We got the blue wave way down here on the daily. And the last time, right, this green candle came, we got a green dot. We went up from 79 all the way up to 106. So that was a beautiful trade, beautiful play out, 33%. Okay, beautiful trade. Okay, same thing here. How much did we go up? 27%. Okay, so I'm saying that this is the bottom, right? 93 is the bottom for AAVE. If I am wrong, I have my stop loss level set. If you guys don't know what a stop loss is, I'd highly recommend looking it up on Google or watching a couple of YouTube videos and understanding why it's important. As traders, it is our job to manage our risk to the downside. So I am risking about 3%. I think I got in at $95 this morning. Okay, I'm risking $2 to the downside, meaning if this level breaks, right, this candle is a liar. I'm thinking that this is the bottom candle right here based on the daily chart. I'm not taking this trade based on a weekly because we have a red dot, right? But the monthly doesn't look bad. Okay, a doji on the monthly with volume here. And this actually had a green dot at the beginning of the month. That's when I'm kind of playing it. So I'm thinking this thing has some more upside. So simply put, I just set my stop loss right there at the bottom of the green candle that I'm playing because, again, it's the same pattern playing out right here. Big dip, green candle, reversal. Big dip, green candle, reversal. Okay, we're playing the levels. So the stop loss is very important. Again, I try to make it so you guys don't have to sit through one of these. Okay, these big capitulation dips, these 60, 70% drawdowns. Okay, and we use that by following our rules. Okay, if we're taking a trade, we have to follow the rules, right? We trade assets trending above the 9 EMA. That's another thing. Is this green candle broke over the 9 EMA? That is our orange line. Okay, you can see it was resistance, resistance, resistance. You can see when we get up above the orange line, that is when we are trending up. So the second I see a candle, a green candle break up above that 9 EMA, I want to get the first one. I want to get on the first one, and I want to set my stop loss at the bottom of that candle. Okay, I also took a trade on, what was it? CELH today. This was Celsius Holdings. I'm playing this green candle right here. So again, where's my stop loss? My stop loss is 37.90. Okay, if 37.90 breaks, we're out of the trade. Okay, it's simple as that. But I think this one has some big upside. This is more of a play on the weekly, and I wanted to talk about this a little bit today. Is you can see how far this thing's been beaten down, right? I mean, this thing was all the way up here at $99. It's down 64%. So if you're a swing trader who likes to focus on the weekly chart, like us on this channel, right? This is the time you want to be buying, guys. Look what the blue wave is. Blue wave was right here in April, $28. Where did it go to? All the way up to 71. That was over 100% move. What did it do? It pulled back, okay? Gave us another green dot, rip, okay? This is a massive pull down here, right? A massive 60, 70% pullback. This is great. This is opportunity, folks. This is opportunity, okay? Okay, this is despair. Everyone was buying up here at $100. They're now down 60% from where they were at. They're at $36. So when an asset goes from 99 all the way down to 30, right, 36, drops 60%, that is when you want to pay attention because you know this is over with. Okay, so the green dot will be the confirmation that we have reached the bottom of despair. I'm anticipating that by taking a position today. I'm anticipating that coming in the next 1 to 3 weeks. 1 to 3 weeks, I think we see a green dot on CELH, which is Celsius Holdings. If you guys aren't familiar with them, they're a credible company. They're about a $9 billion company. If you guys know what Celsius energy drinks are, I mean, you see them in every single store, every single gas station, you name it. They're all over the place. So I don't think they're, as a company, going anywhere anytime soon. And yes, their stock just pulled back 60%. So that's when I want to start taking note. So what I did was I set a stop loss right there at 37.90. Again, if that level breaks, okay, I know we didn't break the 9, but as soon as we get down here on the weekly, way down in this territory, like we were back here, and like we were back here, you guys could see where the price was when those two green dots came. This one came at 50. Okay, this one came at 29. Okay, I don't know where the next green dot's going to come, but like I said, I'm anticipating the trade. I'm anticipating the green dot coming on the weekly chart based on the daily because we got the daily dot called out a couple days ago on Monday. Okay, and this is the first green candle after the green dot. So again, if I'm wrong, I'll get stopped out and I can get back in, right? I can get back in when I'm stopped out. That's the great thing. So I'm only risking about 1 to 2% to the downside here for a massive upside here on the weekly chart. Okay, I mean, this is 150% back to the top. I put in, I think, $25,000. So if it goes up 150%, I'm going to make around, I mean, you do the math, 25,000, cut that in half, another 17. I mean, you're talking about $37,000 off a $25,000 investment if this wave comes back up here, which if it's a good company, if it's a good project, their stock should bounce back. They should not let their stock go to zero. And maybe they can, I don't know. Maybe they're getting sued. I don't know. But all I know is it's coming down here into a very important moving average, just like this one right here, the 200. Okay, that's where we bounced right here at $12. The thing absolutely ripped. So where are we at now? We're right on that line once again. So I want to be a buyer down at these levels. These are very major technical levels. And again, I'm taking this trade based off the daily, okay, thinking that there's going to be more upside. Because the second this thing reverses, decides to go the other direction, I think it's going to rip really, really hard. Okay, this has been a bloody, bloody pullback. I like blood. Okay, I like when there's blood in the streets. I like the fact that crypto went down a shit ton last week. Okay, I know the Discord's been absolutely dead over these last couple weeks, but that's probably because most of you were not using your stop losses. Okay, you guys probably lost your bags because you weren't using your stop losses. You didn't set your stop loss here on Bitcoin at 60,000, so you rode it all the way down to 49.